Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Sure. Happy Tuesday. Whoa, look how we're almost at all-time highs again. Isn't that crazy? Crazy day. We're gonna go to all-time highs yet? What do you guys think? Bullish, bearish, or neutral? Let me know. Good morning. Good morning, chat. Vote, vote, vote. Yesterday was fun for me. I don't know who watched the Ninja Trader show. Yesterday was fun. The morning was fun during the morning session. I was like neck and neck with Jade Cap and Stowe. And I knew to beat Jade Cap, he was pulling ahead. He was off the stream at that moment, but he was pulling ahead, and I know that he has like 10 years of experience. And I'm like, all right, well, I'm just going to keep trading lunch hour, which I don't usually do in the afternoon. And, because I have to win number one in between the five of us for the charity. So it's basically like being second place is the same as being last place to me. So kept trading. Then I lost the lead. But I have a good idea for the next competition, what I'll do. It was fun. See here. Friday's high and all-time highs. I wonder if today we're just going to push at the open, go straight for the Friday's high now. That was fun. Oh. Mm-mm-mm. All right, the open already started. Let's look at the chat. What did you guys pull? 56% bullish. %25 bearish. 19% neutral. I mean, yeah. The daily. What happened here on Friday? I wasn't at the charts. Kept rejecting the daily FEG now. It's like broken above it. Can we get a run up? We'll see. It could still, I don't know. It can still retrace to a lower 4 hour. Preferably not if it's going to stay strong, and do it quickly. So let's see if anything good happens here. Mark out London low or pre-market low here. I gotta woohoo. All right, Nasdaq's. I'm only gonna look for longs. That was my problem yesterday when I lost my lead. Right, I was bullish, and then I was like, all right, well, I'm gonna try for like some retracement shorts. They're an extremely bullish day during lunchtime, and clearly that backfired on me. So I lost my lead doing that. Like I should have just continued just looking for longs. But I had a gold long that ended up helping me mitigate some of my loss. But then the afternoon session here for ES and NASDAQ didn't really give us much to work with. We didn't make a new high here. No, the session. Gold was crazy. Gold hit new all-time highs and then it dropped like 50 points after hours. Wasn't that wild? Who saw that? Preferably, I want someone to hit London low first, bro. And I have an SMT there. Can we not do this BS? Flat day. We got any news today or no? What the hell? I thought these people were going to have to stop speaking. Why does it say FOMC member Waller speaks? What the actual? What the? What? Did they change it because of the government shutdown? Excuse me. Someone let me know. Fernando, let me know if anyone knows. Look. Fed blackout calendar. 18th to the 30th. Fed member Waller speaks. What the heck? I don't want them yapping. It's so annoying. Who the hell was talking? Trump just started talking yesterday. I was in longs at like 11 a.m. And then he fucked me over. I re-entered longs, fucked me over again. It was fun though. Okay, he spoke at 9, so hopefully he doesn't speak again until 3:30. I don't know. We'll find out. Let's see what else we got. Like, I don't care. All right, what else we got here? Hmm. Who the hell's buying a new iPhone? I just read something that said that yesterday we had the market started off strong because of a record high from Apple driven by iPhone demand. Bro, the new iPhone's freaking ugly. Looks like it's ugly, bro. I like whoever made this. This is literally what the new iPhone is like. They're like, oh, it's thinner. And the camera juts out so much. Literally saying that this is thinner than this. Who was saying that? Who was buying that? I don't know. Just people that want to have the newest thing. Or maybe they have like the 12 Pro or something. They need to upgrade. 13 Pro. I have the 16 Pro. I'm not getting a new one anytime soon. Feels a bit quiet here. What are we gonna do today? 56% of the chat is bullish. I do want this to get taken out, so we're so close to it for London low for it to get taken out by NASDAQ. We'll see. And then I'll mark out the swing high for what I want to take out after this. That's ideal. Something like this. All right, it's going there. Actually, listen to me. Wow. Wow. And NASDAQ took out London low. We took out that pre-market low. Now the key is we really kind of want to see a strong, like, quick reaction back up from there. Otherwise, it's just going to keep dropping. And I am bullish, so I'm not going to try bearish positions here. It could go lower. But the thing is, I don't know where it's going to stop. Structure's bullish here, so
We'll see if ES leaves this intact or does it take it out. Prefer it not to take it out. Have an SMT there. We'll see. So far, we're staying below it. Let's mark out this with a bearish fair value gap, and then perhaps it will invert it, end up inverting it. I think I'd wait until the swing high gets taken, though. I don't want to take an inversion here. It's too early. Kind of like a big one. Let's see here. Hourly. It's a 4-hour low as well, so we'll see. Oh, let me cough. Alright, I'm back. What are we gonna do now? What are we doing, chat? Well, rejected from there so far, so it's really not anything that's chill. Nothing easy so far. 0.23. We're down 0.25% on NASDAQ, which is nothing. We're down 0.1% on ES, which is nothing. Let me think. I want to see the ATR. ATR 435. What was yesterday's range? 373. So for NASDAQ, last 5 days, it's been moving an average of 425 points. It's dropping a bit from what it was. What about ES? Really, 93? Damn. Take the leg from like yesterday. Where's like 50% of this? It is in this 4-hour. So far is bearish
FEG's holding things down. Let's see, people. Another leg lower. Apparently yesterday Amazon Web Services was down. Outages rolled through nearly a third of the internet. Damn. Took 15 hours to put them back up. And that was a global impact because the Amazon Web Service undergrids like 30% of the web. Damn. I didn't notice it. Who else noticed it? Probably people that, that work online. Tech companies as well. Banks and financial service apps like Venmo and Robinhood weren't working. Oh, okay. I didn't notice that. I wasn't using Robinhood yesterday. I was trying to trade the Ninja Trade competition. And, that was fun. I had a lead with Kyle and, Stowe. We were like literally neck and neck, like $800 something, $20. It was in the morning. It was fun. I was like different than your regular Tanya. It was funny. Salma was like, "This isn't Tanya. What'd you do with Tanya?" But the thing is, yeah, we were trading between the 5 of us, and the winner like gets to donate, wins money for charity, basically. So it's like a separate little competition between us. And if you're not first, you're last there. Literally. So I kept trading the afternoon session. And as you guys know, not much happened during like the lunch and the afternoon session here for them to see. It's a lot of what was it? Just back and forth here. And that was where I just gave up all my gains and wanted to draw down. But like I said, I kept trying because if you're not first, you're last. But I have a good idea for the next one. How I'm going to treat it. This was a fun run. And let's say you guys, whoever entered the competition yourself, if you didn't place in the top, 1,000 people, I think you can still enter qualifier 3. So you got another chance. It's a good, fun way to practice. Those competitions are a little different than regular trading. All right. So ES hit that London low. We're acting kind of slow here. We didn't have an FE inversion, did we? I guess on the 30 seconds, some people would call that an inversion. We did break a short-term high on NASDAQ. Yes, we did not. A little odd that ES is now a little bit weaker because it did start off stronger than NASDAQ, right? So I'm kind of just going to wait a little bit here. I feel like this could just chop around, roll over again, maybe to the 4-hour FEG. If it doesn't, if it pulls back up, maybe I'll try a long. We'll see. See the 5-minute. Yeah. And we're wicking this area still. It's trying. Bulls are trying. What am I doing? Okay. What is the Fed blackout period? Yeah, that's what I'm so confused about. The Fed blackout period marks out a period of time where Fed Reserve officials are prohibited from making public statements or granting interviews about monetary policy. Designed to prevent the Fed from influencing financial markets with last-minute commentary and to ensure that policy decisions are based on data and discussion, not market speculation. So I don't understand why Waller is speaking today. Okay, I'm glad I held off so far. This is like a scary retracement here. I could take out the low. I never closed above that high to make a strong breaker. Didn't invert this. That's why I held off. And also ES didn't break this swing high either. And it was kind of just sus about how ES is now weaker. Yeah, 4-hour below could, as I didn't retrace to 50% of that leg up from yesterday yet, but do that now. See what happens. What else we got this week for you guys? When is the CPI? Is that next week? I think 28th. Let's see. We got existing home sales. Oh no, finally we have CPI this Friday. That's gonna be fun. Existing home sales Thursday at 10 a.m. What? He's got Fed speakers still speaking, bro, all week. What the heck? Why? tapped into 4 hour by like a tick. Let's also mark out this leg up higher for ES. This one's I'm just marking out the one in a discount because I don't want to have too much. Obviously, this is also a 4 hour FAG, but I don't want to have too much green. Okay, so the blackout only bans monetary policy talk, not all public appearances. During a blackout window, you're not allowed to express views on the economic outlook or monetary policy. So honestly, then maybe like I don't have to worry about that. Then they're going to talk about other stuff. They may still appear at events or publish things that don't touch policy, like community or supervision topics. Research already cleared for publication. Operational updates are purely descriptive data releases. You can also keep doing operational communications with counterparties at outreach to gather information, as long as they avoid policy views and confidential info. If you're seeing Fed speakers on calendars that are weak, they're either speaking on non-policy subjects or delivering pre-cleared remarks, or staff, not FOMC participants, operating within the rules. Okay. All right. Just means he's appearing, not that he'll talk policy. All right. Bars. Okay, so they can't talk about their views on macro outlook or monetary policy. So basically, they shouldn't be moving the market. So I'm not going to worry about those yellow folder news this week about those FOMC members speaking. Yeah, we have CPI on Friday. That'll be fun. You know, it's day 20. The government's still shut down. 21. Day 21, actually, I think. I'd change whatever I have on YouTube. Day 21. What's up, Adado community? What's up? How you doing, Stockman? I'm doing great. Hello, Brazil. Hi. Hello. Yeah, I had a fun conversation with Adado. We had a good convo, good video. What's up? Are you guys bearish, bullish, or neutral? Let me know. Hola. Bom dia. Hola from Chile. Hola. Hi from Italy. Buongiorno. You guys are in ES cells. Okay, cool. Yeah, I wanted this to just get swept and then go up, and we obviously didn't get that, so I'm not in any longs yet. Long bias, no longs. We've just been following bearish order flow. Bearish structure. It was like kind of slow. 91 points in 27 minutes. Okay. $37 minutes, I mean. 33. Okay. Tanya, what's my take on silver? Will rally or dump? Let me check it out for you. I haven't looked at silver in a while. $48. We see GC also. Wait, did gold actually hit what was gold's high yesterday? 93. Okay. Guess it didn't hit the all-time highs. Did. It did. Okay. Why does it look differently if I look on the daily? Oh no, because I'm looking at today. Okay, yeah, I did hit all-time highs yesterday, and then it dropped from there. Okay. And silver just same thing as gold, hit an all-time high, or I don't know if it's an all-time high actually. Let's see if silver. I think silver might have been more in the 90s. Oh, it did. In 2011, what was the high? 49. Okay, yeah, it hit all-time highs. Now we're getting a retracement. Took out one. Yeah, we took out quite a few days of price action there. Like a whole week. Last week's low. Yeah, it looks like there's a lot of trendline liquidity it can go for. It did just break on the 4-hour for the first time in a long time, so silver. There's potential for silver shorts. And put silver on the left. Yeah. I've been told to start trading gold more. We'll see. See if silver could retrace to here. And then go for more trendline liquidity. And take this. And use extension levels to see where it could go. Yeah, silver could get to these two levels next. 48 and 48.4 and 47.3. Ideally, it retraces to here first. but looks pretty weak. See what's gold doing today. This was wild. Hit all-time highs here. And then it dropped like $50. I saw that happening after hours. Like, sheesh. Dropped like even more. Yeah. It dropped like, okay, $35 to hitting that all-time high. An alert for this high for NASDAQ. We dropped freaking $200 on gold. Gold's down 4% today. That's wild. Silver down today. 6.8%. I think it's easier to short silver than gold, honestly. But yeah, I think silver has more downside. Gold is kind of tough because I took this projection up here on the hourly and I went to the downside. We already hit -4 standard deviation. It could just it could retrace now. If you look at the 4-hour, you could try to take this to here and look at those standard deviations, but it's definitely the -1 is that previous weekly low. All right. Honestly, I'd want them to retrace first, ideally. Plus, they're already down like 5% on the today, so I wouldn't be pushing to see like a 10% down day on gold. It's kind of wild. Okay, let's see what ES is doing now. Did ES start picking up a little bit? This is kind of slow. Why are we so slow today? ES broke a short-term high, inverted this for now. Yeah, and then it came down. It picked up here. It's breaker. It hasn't broken new high yet, but it's starting to look better, more promising. NASDAQ did not have an inversion or anything yet. It's weaker now, so they're definitely going back and forth a bit with the weakness and who's stronger, who's weaker. Let's see if ES can like make another leg up. Then I'd probably try something out. And I do like this low here if this becomes new swing low. Kind of slow. Does anyone feel like this is going kind of slow? Which I don't love because like I like stronger, faster moves. Be nice if we see some nice green candles to the upside sooner than later. And fast ones. my God, guys, mad boring. Who's in shorts? Who's been in shorts? Only 25% of the chat voted short. That's the only move that's worked out so far today. I feel like I'm playing in slow motion right now. I'm trading in slow motion. Wicked it. Wicked this. No FEG here for you guys. Said I want an energetic push-up, not this. Is there any SMT at a low here? I think these are equal lows, right? No, this one's higher. It's the tiniest of SMTs here. I'm not in this because it's sloppy, dude. Yes, looks better. There's no energetic push up there for me to want to get into the second. My ES is now in this 15-minute. That's fine. I guess I should have switched to 30-second there. All good. Let's see now. What should we do? We're running. I guess I'll have to switch to a 30-second and figure something out here. I'm trying not to chase anything right now. Just hit a new high for ES. See if there's a retracement now, because Nasdaq didn't hit new high yet. We have some inversions. We have some 2-minute like FEGs here, and 3-minute. So, why not 2? Right now you have a 5-minute bullish FEG. Bullish breaker. See how this closes. If it closes above, that'll be good. Gotta pay attention now. Been waiting for longs. Finally got some upside. Just gotta get a good entry. I don't want to go crazy and chase an entry and then be pissed, you know? Didn't close above this on the 5 yet. So we could have a deep retracement, honestly. I'm going to wait for a retracement. I'll probably take an inversion after that. Or upside. Yeah. That's what I'll do. I don't want to just go in right away yet. I am just mooning. RTY, pushing back up too, which is good. Getting that deep retracement right now. It's gonna be crazy if this takes out like this low, and we'll just have a seek and destroy. I was thinking it would maybe get to this 1 minute FEG and then get bought up, but I'm happy then that I'm waiting still. See what this is going on here. Okay. All right. So that's why I paused, because we hit new high day for ES and NASDAQ. Well, didn't get there yet. Like, I would continue with the longs if I had broken this swing high again also. So not yet, but hey, we retrace deeply here. I'm just looking for more bullishness at some point, but nothing yet. If you look at the 15, I think we just rejected the 15, so that was always a possibility. So I'll mark out the bearish structure now. Yeah, maybe it ends up taking out these equal lows, and then it takes out inversion and goes back up again. Don't know. But it definitely feels seek and destroy today with that. It definitely trapped people. Like, I was feeling FOMO as it was running without me. I was like, shit. But thankfully I saw this and I stopped the new high day on ES. There's always a chance you could have a divergence there. Yeah, trapped people. People may be chasing, and now it's just seeking destroying everybody. All right. Kind of funny. I'm gonna have a headache by the end of this session. All right. Let's get together. Let's see here. It did not even invert on the 32nd yet. So I'm going to mark out this as a swing high. I'll see if ES doesn't take out this low, and then if we have a reversal here, then maybe I'll try the longs. That's what I'm looking for right now. I want it to be a fast reversal from here. So far it's not. Didn't even take a swing high yet, but let's see. Let's see now. Nasdaq's not doing the thing today, I guess. Not ready. No juice for the upside yet. Okay. Just wondering, was there any news for this like push lower here? This was like a fat candle. Let me see. Bum 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 bum. Not yet. I was hoping that was going to be the push-up that we were looking for. But maybe soon, maybe soon. ES is definitely looking better. Okay, it was U.S. home prices edged higher in September. That was a 1027. Yeah, that was our drop. Okay. Whatever then. Yeah, I'm gonna try that long. Just closed above it. Okay, I'm in the long. I have to change this to show the right one. Indicate. Oh, positions. Apply. There we go. Well, I think the highs are here. I think that's a decent RR. I think we could get to new high of day. But most of my positions are probably going to come off at those two highs. Where's the last hourly high? Yeah. 4-hour high. Next one is here. Hourly highs there. There's our smooth equal highs here, basically. It's a good look here that it inverted this as well now. Break her here. Trying to see if I could trail stops. I think I'm probably good at 30-second. Just pressed bid basically after we inverted. And closed above. Do 15-minute here. Okay. 5-minute. All right. I think this looks good. There's like a bullish FEG here right after it inverted this in the leg. It could retrace into it. Could retrace here again. I wish it won't. Hope it doesn't. Because I feel like it did like an immediate rebalance, but there is a tiny space here for that. There is like a 1-minute FEG, I guess I could mark out there actually. Just mark out this leg up. We are in a discount of the day, so that's why I felt like okay just going buy bid there instead of waiting for a retracement because I'm in the discount for the day already. Don't have to wait for a discount of a discount. Yeah, it is pushing up now. I think I should just be trailing there. The 5-minute now, I want this to get inverted and us to push higher from there. So I'm just going to trail and protect the money. Stressful. All right. Now let's continue looking at this. Oh my goodness. All right. What's this low? 47.50. Yeah, that's pretty much where I put my stop here. Yeah, I want it to just be low resistance, push higher after it. I want this to invert the 5-minute here. Just take out, go back up. Maybe I'm trailing the stop too much, but I just don't like how the day has been unfolding anyway, so. CES, what's it doing? Is it pushing higher? I'm tired. Worst thing that can happen is I walk in, whatever, $480 or something like that. 9 times 2, 20, 180, like 500 something. Which would be slightly above break even, but I mean, I want us to hit those equal highs. They're pretty smooth highs here now. This is buy side liquidity. Ah, taken out. All right. Bum. Why is NQ being a bum? All right. $706. All right, let's see if what it does here. What will it do? I'll retrace to here. Oh, you guys, I feel like this is tough structure. You gotta debate whether I want to re-enter this if it reaches there. Do we re-enter? Do we re-enter? Let's see here. See, let's mark out the premium discount of the day just to see where we're at here. Well, that's a crazy ass wick. I mean, crazy ass candle. I want to see how that closes. See if it wicks nicely. Had a nice wick there. Time to re-enter this. I think I'll re-enter. Okay, I'm in again. Trying to think about where's the best stop. Could again dig in again into here, by the way. Did I get poor fill? Yeah, because I hit market buy. Let's see here. This could reach into here. I'm gonna put the stop below the breaker. Just like a little bit higher than this. Okay, see how it goes. Ideally, we now invert this and just keep going. Then I'll like trail my stop to the swing low. As it goes my way. Manage the risk. Ideally, ES pumps up to new swing high. New swing high. New high of the session would be nice. Alright, let's close above that. That'll be good. I'll move my stop up. Yep, I'm gonna move my stop up to that low then. Okay, risk is now mitigated. Come on, baby. Get there, bro. What's this low here? 230.25. Or 230. Don't stop here, please. Don't be an asshole. Don't wick this. It's gonna be so annoying, you guys, if it wicks this. That's fine. It has a 30-second FEG below this, actually, in the inversion. Now let's see a pop from here, ideally. Magic paintbrush, go up higher. Please, bro. Yeses. Please. Can I explain the PAX method to manage risk? I think you should just watch his, he's going to talk about it on Friday. Watch a Ninja Trader show on Friday. We'll talk about it. Oh, there's also 1 minute FEG here, too. Alright. Come on, bro. You could do it. You could do it. Spool, baby, spool. Can I get a spool? Spool. Spool, 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 spool. A spool. Can I get the spool, please? I'm not asking for a lot, please. I'm not asking for a lot. Really. Please, pretty please. Why does my screen look like that? Okay. Is that better? Please, give me the spool. When Tanya is desperate, she gets an Italian accent. Come on. Come on. Can we get it? That'll be nice. I swear, gosh, if ES just hits new high of day and then we stay on the NASDAQ, I'll take a partial because I don't want it to be a bum again. And have another SMT at a high. I need ES to really push through the new high of day, honestly. Show a lot of power. Come on, spool, baby. You can do it, bro. You just had some small candles. Let's see, unleash the power of the green Hulk candles to the upside. I want to see some green candles. Come on, brother. Okay, yes, new high of day. Closed above. Let's see what this next minute does. Okay. Let's see the spool. Please. I'm gonna have to put my stop at break even again here. Like I said, I want it to spool now. And honestly, I think I should probably put my stop below this low. Because I want it to just go straight up from here. Don't want it to retrace again here. ES is looking good. Those NASDAQ, we're starting to look good. Really close to the next profit target. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Come on. Oh my god, I'm gonna have a stroke. Stopped like literally 3.5 points before the first target here. Don't be a bitch, NASDAQ. You got it. It's 2 minutes. Yeah, we got time. We got time. You got it. It's freaking spool already. It's following with my drawing, honestly. You can't argue against the magic paintbrush. You can't argue against it. You can't. Come on, brother. Do it. Just do it. Oh my god, it's close. It's close. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes! Oh, hell yeah, that was a nice push. Freaking W's. W's, people. I want to see the freaking chat explode. Alright, this is new high of session for NASDAQ, which could be the next next TP, or I'm just going to hold for the 4-hour high. Or honestly, I'm thinking about potentially holding for... I'm just going to keep trailing this one because I don't want to, like... What if this is it and then we go to all-time highs? I don't want to let go of that. So I'll keep trailing. Alright, so we locked in so far. How much on the day? Locked in 2100. Okay. We have freestanding, free floating like 800. Okay, now what do we do? And I'm gonna stop at break even. Thinking, yeah, I mean, finally it's closing, getting back above. It's about to invert this on the 15, which is good. That's the thing, yeah. I think it could go for this. It could go for this too. So what's the range of the day so far today? $164 points. So we have. So it's definitely possible to get to Friday's high and all-time high. So I'm just gonna hold for that, to be honest with you guys. Sorry. So gotta risk it for the biscuit. Now I'm just gonna chill on the 2-minute probably here. Yeah. All right, it helped me that I saw that that new low of day was like the new home sales release. News release, so I was like, oh, that could have been manipulation. Okay, 394. All right. Hodling the rest, people. I'm glad I wasn't like shy to pull the trigger on this retracement. So I was waiting to see if it wicked, and it has a nice wick. I longed, whatever. All right. Mitigated risk real quick when it got here. Wanted to spool, got to here, then to here. See, we are mooning. Okay. ES just hit its overnight high, session high, so I don't see why NASDAQ can't do that either. And that's at 315. And we'll track to see if ES London high. We'll see if ES remains strong above that. That'll be ideal. Hit the like button. We just killed it today. I killed it today, really. Entered long. entered long, stopped in profit, re-entered long. First target hit, and then holding runners now. And Q doesn't like that I'm Italian. It looks like it did like it. You sounded like a Russian. I know, I was going between, I was looking from Russian, Italian to Russian. Do I look in every time frame for FEG's track? Asks me. Yeah, pretty much. I'll start from the higher one up. So like the 1 minute, then I'll go to like the 30-second, or I'll go look at the 2 minute. You know, it's better to look at the higher ones. 5 minute. You see the 5 minute had one here. You could have just entered based on 5 minute here. 3 minute as well, 2 minute as well, 1 minute, yeah. So that's what it is. You look at the higher time frame first, and if it's not there, then you go to the lower ones. Okay, ES kind of stalling. NASDAQ still didn't hit this new high of session. This makes me really feel like it's a seek and destroy day. I might get stopped out. Oh, I don't like that yeah, let's see. London high. Just had a big push up though. I'm gonna look at the hourly. 4 hour looks good. Kind of at peace if this stops me out in profit, because already locked in 2K, and I'd rather hold for the all-time high in case it gets there. Didn't even get to, the thing is, my second target was the overnight high. Didn't get there yet. ES did get there, which makes me sus. What time is it? Oh, it's 11. That makes me less likely to want to hold this right now. See, this is the new high session. We left a little thing there. Let's see on the 30-second. This is rejecting this. If it makes a new swing low, I might end up getting rid of it. See what ES does here. Why did I change my mind is because of time, honestly. Time of day. Realize it's 11:02. It's losing this. Alright, I'm cutting it. Alright, I took out no more positions. Took it off. And I'm good for the day now. Given what today's action was, it did pretty well. Did very well, actually. Alright. 2,700. Did good. Reasoning why I'm letting go of this is because it's 11. And yeah, ES stalled at the London high. As it could go there. If I'll check out later if that was the wrong decision, whatever. I just want to lock in the rest of the gains in case it's more seek and destroy BS, which it kind of had been, right? It's failed here. Went make it a new low. Could fail again. Yeah, it's not really a trendy day where I want to hold It's not looking like a trend day, is what I'm saying. I feel like holding this low was made at like 10, 20, 32. It's not like it was made at 9:45 or 10. So it's kind of wonky. All right. Good day, good session. I was pretty focused. I think I got 8 hours of sleep. How many hours of sleep did I get last night? I did good. Really tired yesterday after trading literally the entire day, and all right, 8 hours and 41 minutes. That was good. Let's see, any other questions? Castilla? Any other questions? Just review my entries and stuff. This was a good entry. You know, if I just held on, it would have worked out. I was just very impatient here. I put my stop, trailed it. Let's see. Trailed it tight, real tight, because I honestly wanted to spool from there if we had already inverted this, made another new high. And then I just re-entered after seeing that wick on the 1 minute back to where it could have retraced. And pretty much, yeah. Same type of trade, so. Because where I entered is pretty much where I got stopped out of the rest. And then took TP there. And took a stop out there. Because honestly, of time of day, and I don't really like how ES is stalling at the high, and Nasdaq stalled. I would have wanted us to just go straight there. So when I saw this, you know, big FEG on the 30-second, I was just like rejecting it and going lower. I'm like, all right, I'm just going to get out of this right now because of time of day. So that's all I'm going to do. All right. GG's still longs and shorts. Some shorts worked out. Seems like, you know, it's not really trendy day. So you made money today. GG, good job. Hit the like button. We'll be back here tomorrow at 9:15. I'm going to close out my charts. It was definitely a harder, you had to concentrate this session a lot, honestly. Had to concentrate a lot. So, trading day's over. Woohoo. See you tomorrow. Don't be a degenerate.